Hello, hello, teacher Marcio here. This video is to explain to you how to use the replacement offer and the discount coupon, okay? Okay, so let's go. So you can see me here, my short story, my short video, right? So you go to the inbox and then you select here, teacher Marcio, okay? As you can see, I sent to the student $10 off trial lesson and one offer for a replacement session, okay? So what you need to do first, you need to click in the discount coupon off 10%, $10 off. So double click buy now, double click here, okay? You can see here, this is the shopping cart. So here you have the discount is now here, right? Now you're gonna purchase the replacement session. You just click here. Okay, now we will close the chat box. And here you're gonna select only the 25 minutes, the replacement that I sent. So you can delete this one. Okay, so now you can see you have one business English, 25 minutes, one session, $90.90. And then here, discount option, you need to tick here. When you tick here, the total, 990 less the discount, 0. But if you forget to untick, if you untick, you will be charged in your credit card. So you don't want that, right? You want a free lesson. So you click here in the discount, the total will be 0. You can pay with your credit card or with PayPal. And then you select pay, and then you need to insert your credit card number or to select the PayPal account. And then you pay, and he will select, he will processing order. You need to insert your PayPal account, okay? So you can select here the credit card or PayPal and pay. The total will be 0, you will not be charged, will be free, okay? But make sure that the discount appear here and the total will be 0, okay? That's all. Thank you.